Hello guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to create some cocktail napkin using sublimation. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. The first thing I did was to create a design using Canva, and here's how it went. With this idea, you can create any design of your liking. Canva has a wide variety of elements that can be used, and then different fonts you can also use for your lettering. Once I was satisfied with my design and how everything was placed, I grouped it as one and then proceed to the next step. I open a 8x10 file and copy and paste all the design onto it to ensure that the page could take as much as possible. My 8x11 page could only fit 12 of the design. Once that was done, I was able to save it onto my computer and on to the next step. One thing that is very important to do once working with sublimation is to flip your image backward, which is what I did. I had it saved onto my computer, and next I sent it to my sublimation printer. This is the sublimation paper that I'll be using by HTV Aunt. I was able to fit it into my sublimation printer and then follow the prompts. Once my design was printed, I turned on my Cricut mini press to heat it up and then proceed to cut my design to the size that I needed. Since we are creating cocktail napkins, I was able to get this one from Amazon. It comes in a 500. I take as many as I needed and then started to sublimate each of them individually. I simply placed my design onto my cocktail napkin, put a paper just to protect it, and then start ironing. With the heat, it was able to transfer the design from my sublimation paper onto the cocktail napkin. I repeated that same step for all the numbers of napkin that I needed to sublimate. I was also able to create different designs on my canvas, repeated the same step and followed to add it onto my cocktail napkin. So this project was such an easy one to do, very repetitive depending on the amount of napkins that you'll be needing, but however it was very fun and creative to do. I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not already, subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.